YouTube, hey YouTube, what's up YouTube? It is your favorite lady sneakerhead from the D313 Retro Queen, and I am back after a little break. I know I've been gone a minute, but you know, had some stuff going on. But as usual, first things first, if you are new to the channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop me a comment, you know. So without further ado, we just gonna jump right into this. I got some merch for y'all. I got some sneakers for y'all, and your girl got some Funko Pops. I mean, your girl doing her thing, you know what I'm saying? So I have not just been high and dry. I got some stuff for y'all this time. So also, I wanted to let y'all know, if you don't know, I am on a podcast with E-Money, Mcfly, KOF, and PMKickz. We are doing Who Has the Heat 2 right now. Y'all need to check it out. It's a sneaker battle. We are on there Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Saturday, not Friday, Saturday.
My bad, I'm sorry. 8 p.m. Eastern time. If there's any changes, you can check out my channel. I have that on there. All the information you need to know. That is on E-Money Shoes YouTube channel. Again, on Wednesday.
I did it again. Wednesday and Saturday.
Eastern Standard Time. We have a couple sponsors. We have Snooch's Customs, who I actually have a t-shirt from right here. You can check that out. His own brand there. Use your noodle. Like them colors, that black, red, and that gray in there. That's gonna go great with them fours though. Yes, it is. Also, we have Money Run Clothing. I've actually showed you one of those before, but check that out. Both of them are on Instagram, and you will be able to find that information below in the description box about Who Has the Heat 2, Snooch's Customs, and Money Run Clothing, so you can purchase yourself some merch. Also, I was able to be convinced into getting into this little Funko Pop phase we have going on right now, and honestly, they are kind of dope. Like, they're kind of cute. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. I pre-ordered this first Michael Jordan one back in, I think, February. They called me the other day and was like, hey, your pre-order's in. I'm like, dude, I brought that and like 2 others since then, 3 others since then, but it is what it is. So I drove out, it was probably like a half-hour drive, but and picked up this one, the very first one. See that? Yep, got that. Not sure if opening these up messes up the integrity of them. I mean, I just like them. Like, not that I'm ever going to get rid of them. I just want them to collect them. I think they're dope. And, you know, if you find one that piques your interest, grab them. I spent like 45 minutes in this place that I had never been into before. I also picked up this one of my favorite movies, Hellboy. Look at that. And the thing is, no matter how creepy the characters are supposed to be or are, when you turn into a Funko Pop, they're just so cute. You can't help it. They're just so cute. But this is Hellboy. And then I was able to get on, the Foot Locker website. So yeah, I was able to grab this bronze Michael Jordan Funko Pop offline for Foot Locker. I had to work for this one, okay? I was actually at work, and I ended up having to use the actual laptop to cop this. It would not work on my app. I'm not sure what was going on. I ended up actually even having to use my PayPal account to get this to work. Like, they didn't want to take the card. Like, it was just weird. Like, I couldn't get through whatever encryption they have going on there. And the only thing that would just fly easy was my PayPal and on the actual laptop. So I mean, that was kind of, I mean, that's cool to have that. And that's just, I have all of these Michael Jordan ones. He's one in Concords, and I forget what the other one is. I think in the first one he's in the 3s, and like I said, I forget what he's in the other ones, but I have them. So I'm thinking I'll probably get into collecting a few more, you know, very strict choices on those. I don't want to get too carried away with those, because it trust me, it can get that way. It's it's weird how carried away you can get with those and how fast. But a shoe that I had admired since I first saw the pictures, man, I'm telling y'all, I was on these shoes. Like, I was so geeked. Like, nobody liked them really though. Like, I mean, you know, I'm my own person, so I cop what I like. It is what it is. But unfortunately, when this shoe came out, man, they ain't have my size. So I was like, come on, Nike, come on, you're killing me here. So I actually ended up going to my local DTLR. I'm sorry. I saw them in the store. Thing was, they only had a 6.5. I am a 6 all day with my comfort room. So yeah, no, that wasn't gonna work for me. So I bought the 6.5. Got the 6.5. I was like, you know what? I could put 2 pair of socks on with this where I go. I put 2 pair of socks on. I put in some sneaker shields. Them bad boys were still too big. So I unfortunately had to take them back. I really wanted this shoe. So Nike did a drop on them. Grade school only sizing. What that's all about. I don't know if maybe they got their shipment in too late and they just like, hey, here's grade school, so here you go. But yeah, I got these straight from Nike, man. The size 6 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS colorway is Sail Black Phantom Gem Red. So y'all know what these are. These the Phantoms. Yeah, these the Phantoms. So there's my Nike receipt. Now these shoes got some hate, man. They got some hate. Y'all was out there hating on these, and I love this shoe. From this very different crumble, like if you were to take like a piece of paper and crumble it up and then open it back up, that's what the effect this leather has on it, all on the back heel here, and then of course under the Nike swoosh on this side and under this side and on that toe box. See that crumble, that little crumbled look, not tumble leather, but crumbled look. And I know people are saying, oh, you know, this leather isn't as good as the tumble leather, this, that, and the other. But for real, until you get the shoe in your hand, you don't really know what the leather gonna feel like anyway. It could be tumble leather and it could still suck. But I just like the overall look at this shoe. Like even here, you see they the one so far, you got the lace holes here. Those are Captain metal there. Those are actual metal if you want to listen to that. You got the regular Nike one bottom going for you there. You got the Sail midsole here. Now I didn't realize this, that Phantom Black was the color. I've looked at other videos and I didn't notice it either. Like, I don't know if anybody actually just kind of just didn't want to say about it, but this color isn't gray. This is that Phantom Black here. So I mean, like, it's like a gray, but it's not. And it's like Sail, but it's not. I don't really know. I mean, I guess they picked the right name for it, Phantom Black. So it's just hinted black there. So I mean, this shoe is dope. Like, you got this red thread through here, you got the threading through here is all red, and then you got it across the back and it's red and black going across there kind of to the middle of the shoe. Then you got this plastic piece under the swoosh, under the Phantom Black swoosh. You have this gem red swoosh under there that kind of just illuminates it. I mean, this shoe is just dope. I mean, look at that. Look at the tongue here. See that? You got that stitching going all the way up and around here. You got that nice signature Nike Air with the swoosh on there, that gem red going through there, making it pop. You got the black laces on here. You got the Sail laces on here. These gem red laces. Now these laces dope. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna switch these out into some other stuff too. But I'm not even sure. I think I'm a freak these with these red laces, man. I'm trying to tell you, these red laces, these gonna be everything. And then on the inside, you got the white insole with the Nike Air in red, that branding in there on the insole. Yeah, man, these shoes dope. I mean, like I said, you know, I cop what I like, and these were one that I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get. And like I said, for whatever reason, GS was just slower to come out than the adults. But there you have it. You got the black, Nike Wings, Air Jordan Wings logo up here with the basketball, and set it off. I mean, like, it's a dope shoe. Like, it hits and it pops in all the right places. Like, it's a dope shoe. So here we go. Let's see if we can pull this one out, and you can check out this right shoe. You got that lateral side view right there. You got that back view. You got the medial side, and then you got the front toe box. See that tongue? Outsole there. There you go. There you go. So let me know what you think. Funko Pops. Check out Snooch's Customs. Let me know what you think about the Phantoms. Do you have this shoe? Did you like this shoe? Was it a shoe that you was like, nah, I ain't even feeling that the first time you seen it, and then you was like, yeah, man, that shoe kind of dope? Or did you, you know, stick to your guns and was like, yeah, man, I love that shoe, I gotta have it? Or was it like, nah, man, I ain't really feeling that, and you still ain't feeling it? But either way, man, drop me a comment. Let's talk about it. Let me know what you think about this. You know, this is new for Nike. So, you know, this whole crumble leather, phantom black, that's literally a new color, if I'm not mistaken. So, if anybody knows if there's another shoe that has or carries this phantom black color on it, let me know. I'm dope to check it out, because I'm not sure. I think this is the only one with that on there. Or the first one with it on it. You know, we know Nike, they may come out with some other stuff. But until my next cop, or the next time I have something to say to you all, go Tigers. All about the D. It's 313 Retro Queen. Peace.